Hey guys, I just got some cool new toys from Disney store. These are action figure from the Phineas and Ferb collection. Here we have Agent P. He's actually Perry the Platypus, all dressed up as a secret agent. He's about 5 inches tall. You can find his action figures online and also at Disney store for about $10. It actually says $12.50, but it was on sale for $10. And here we have Dr. Doofenshmirtz. He's the evil scientist. He also has posable arms and head. Let me show you the back of the box. It's also $10. And he's also an action figure. So let's open these boxes together and let's see them up close. Agent P is about 5 inches tall, and Dr. Doofenshmirtz is about 8 inches tall. They're really cool, really interesting. So, posable head and hands. And here we have Perry. The head does move, but not the hat. If you don't know, if you haven't seen the cartoon, Agent P is the pet of Phineas and Ferb. You know, if you have kids, I'm sure they're gonna love this. This cartoon is quite popular at the Disney Channel. There's Disney there. So guys, these are the new releases from Phineas and Ferb collection, Agent P and Dr. Doofenshmirtz action figure. You can find them anywhere in all Disney stores and also online. Thanks again for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for Phineas and Ferb.